every AI tool you use has the same hidden problem. It is incredibly smart and completely blind. It cannot see your files. It cannot touch your database. It cannot use your tools. So sit there copying and pasting context into it all day. MCP is the thing that fixes that. And once it clicks, you cannot unsee it. Here is the easiest way to get MCP. Think of a USB-C port, but for the AI. Before USB-C, every device needed its own special cable, and it was a mess. USB-C gives us a one plug that works with everything. So MCP does the same thing for AI. One standard way to connect any model to any tool, any files, any data. That is the world idea. Say you build an AI app, you want it to read your Google Drive, so you write custom code, then your database, more custom code, then Slack. Every connection is built from scratch. Picture a 100 tool and 100 apps. That is 10,000 fragile integration that all break differently. This is the exact mess MCP was built to kill. MCP means Model Context Protocol. A protocol is just an agreed set of rules for how two things talk. So MCP is shared a language. On one side is the client, your AI app or coding agent. On the other side is the server, the thing wrapping your tool or your data. They both speak that language, so any client can talk to any server. Build one server for your database and every MCP app can use it. You write it once, not 100 times. So what does a server actually handle the AI? Three simple things. Tools. The action it can take. I like run a query. Resources. The data is can read like a file, and prompts ready made instruction for common jobs. The AI never has to know how any of it work underneath. It just asks the server and the server does the rest. A real one from my own work. I built an agent that let you talk to a database in plain English. No SQL. You just ask and it answers. Wrapping that database in an MCP server is exactly this kind of job. Do it once and any app that speaks MCP can query it. You build that bridge one time and reuse it anywhere. So here is the honest part. You don't always need MCP. A quick script that hit one API one time, escape it, a simple function called a find. MCP earns its place when the same tool or the data has to reach many AI apps, or when you want your agent plugged into your real system without custom glue every time. Starting is easier than people think. In Python, you can stand up an MCP server with fast MCP in a new lines. Define a tool, describe what it does, and the AI can use it. The hard part is never the code. It was understanding the idea and you just got it. MCP in three lines. One, a USB-C port for AI. Two, a client is your app. A server wraps your tool. Same language. Three, build it once, reuse it everywhere. If this made MCP click for you, subscribe. I break this stuff down in plain English every week, and tell me in the comment what is the first tool you would connect to your AI. I read every reply.